This is Gronich with Achieve Health USA, Create a New Tomorrow podcast, and the Performance Therapy Academy. This is a guided meditation for rapid relaxation for a healthy body. My name is Gronich, and I wanted to share this meditation with you so that you too could learn how to relax the tension in your body and your mind and your spirit. That way, you're free from restrictions and able to go through life with a low level of anxiety and a high level of health and success. We're going to begin in a second with some breath. So I'm just going to have you start out breathing deeply in through your nose to a count of 4, out through your nose to a count of 4. Breathe deeply in through the nose and out through the nose. In through the nose and out through the nose. Breathe in to a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. Breathe out to a count of 4 and hold to a count of 4. Breathe in to a count of 4 and continue. And as you continue to breathe deeply, begin to notice your feet. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your feet and toes. Tighten those muscles as much as you can. As you inhale again, and on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of the feet. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through the feet. Breathe deeply and begin to focus on your legs. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your legs. Tighten those muscles as much as you can as you inhale again. Calves, hamstrings, quads, even your knees. Tighten, 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 constrict. And on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of the legs. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through the legs and down into the feet. Breathe deeply and begin to focus on your hips and pelvic region. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your hips and pelvic region. Tighten those muscles as much as you can as you inhale again. And on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of the hips and pelvic region. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through your pelvis, down your legs, and down into your feet. Breathe deeply again and begin to focus on your hands. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your hands. Tighten those muscles as much as you can. Make fists and tighten and tighten and tighten until you inhale again. And on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of your hands. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through your hands. Breathe deeply and begin to focus on your arms. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your arms. Tighten those muscles as much as you can as you inhale again. On the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of your arms. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through your arms and down into your hands. Breathe deeply and begin to focus on your abdomen, your stomach, your diaphragm. Tighten those muscles as much as you can as you inhale again. And on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of your arms. Breathe deeply and begin to focus on your abdomen. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your abdomen, your diaphragm, all the organs. Just tighten and tighten and tighten those muscles as much as you can as you inhale again. And on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of your abdomen. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through your abdomen and down through your pelvis, into your legs, and down to your feet. Breathe deeply again and begin to focus on your chest. Notice any tension or relaxation there. On an exhale, tighten and constrict all of the muscles in your chest, your lungs. Tighten those muscles as much as you can. Just tighten and tighten and tighten as you inhale again. And on the exhale, let go of all tension and completely relax the muscles of your chest. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through your chest and into your arms and hands, as well as down through your abdomen and pelvis, into your legs, and down to the feet. Breathe deeply and begin to focus on your face, head and neck, shoulders. Not only are you noticing any tension and relaxation there, But on an exhale, you're breathing and tightening and constricting all of the muscles in your face, head and neck and shoulders. You're tightening those muscles as much as you can. As you inhale again, and on the exhale, let go of all tension. Completely relax the muscles of your face, your head, your neck, your shoulders. Feel the blood flow easy and natural through your entire body, spreading into a deep relaxation. And watch as the calm flows. Remember, breathe deeply. Begin to focus on your back, the upper part of your shoulders, the back of your neck, all the way down your spine. And on the inhale, tighten your back so tightly. Just keep constricting it tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. And on the exhale, let go. Just let go of all the burdens you've been carrying on your back. Let go of all the burdens that you've been carrying, and breathe deeply. Your body is relaxing from your back to your chest, to your face, your head, your shoulders, your arms, your hands, your stomach and abdomen, your pelvis and hips, quads and legs and hamstrings, calves and ankles and feet are all relaxed, even down to your toenails and hair follicles. You are just relaxed as you can get. You now not only feel relaxed, but powerful. All of your body's cells are completely charged with oxygen and nutrients. Your lungs are filling completely and effortlessly. Your body begins now to sway back and forth. It feels as though all the tightness in your muscles has completely gone, and your body moves with fluidity of water. Your spine is beginning to align, and all of your nerves pulsating efficiently and effectively. Your entire nervous system is sending perfect signals to the rest of your body, allowing all the functioning hormones and organs and response systems to work in absolute perfect order. Your brain is providing exact commands that only optimize the complete functioning of your body. The entirety of your cells are beginning now to mutate back to the original DNA pattern that you were meant to contain. All of your cells are perfectly synchronized to perform at your peak physical and energetic performance. Your body is perfect. Your organs are perfect. Your nervous system is perfect. All the functions of your brain are working in perfect optimum health. And you are well. Now I'm going to begin counting down from 5 to 1. And as I count down, your body will awaken and become more and more alive. As I count down, your body will remember the perfect functioning that it was meant to encompass. As I count down, you will be rejuvenated with a renewed sense of health, vitality, and well-being. As I count down now, 5, feeling healthy and alive. 4, completely rejuvenated and powerful. 3, perfect health, perfectly charged nerves and nervous system. 2, feeling alert, energetic, powerful, alive. 1. You are powerful, masterful, and complete. Open your eyes now, feeling alive and alert in every way. You can return to this meditation anytime your body is feeling stuck, lacking energy, feeling sick. Repeat this as often as you like. My suggestion is to do this 30 days in a row. Make it a habit when you wake up in the morning and again when you go to bed at night, so that you start your day and end your day feeling powerful, feeling relaxed, calm, feeling all of your blood flowing and nutrients. You are optimized. Thank you so much for participating in this meditation. I hope that you got a lot out of it. Remember to like, subscribe, rate, review, and make comments. Tell us about how you experienced this meditation and what you got from it. I'd love to hear how it's helping you in your life. Thank you so much. This is Gronich from Achieve Health USA, the Performance Therapy Academy, and Create a New Tomorrow podcast. Good night, and live a healthy, powerful life.